Sometimes you may need a list of the last Monday of every month, maybe for reporting deadlines or meetings. Doing it manually, scrolling through calendars, no thanks. Let's use Power Query to automate it. Fast, clean and satisfying. Let's open the figure brackets from 1 to 12. This gives us a list representing the 12 months of the year. You could say it's our month base. Each number will help us build a date from that month. Now let's create a new step. Here we will transform each of those months into something cooler. We'll use list transform to go month by month and calculate the last Monday. Now we will use the let-in expression. It's the Power Query way of saying I'm about to define some steps hand tight. So for each month we start with the last day. Date end of month gives us the final day of the month. Hashtag date 2025_1 builds a date just like January the 1st, February the 1st, etc. That underscore symbol is the placeholder for the current month's number from our list. And here is the fun part. Date, day of week, last day, day Monday. How far away is the last Monday from the last day of this month? If the month ends on a Monday, this returns 0. If it ends on a Thursday, it returns 3. Then we subtract the number from last day using date add days. This is how we can land on the last Monday of that month. And we will end it closing the in expression in last Monday. Let's press enter. And finally we return the list of all those beautiful last Mondays. No more googling, no more calendar scrolling and no more stress. See ya!